Welcome to Logistic. To better understand the system that invites people to watch a demo video, this is a list of admin functions. Here is a list of functions of the company. Here is a list of customer functions. Here is a list of shipper functions. We will first start with the functionality of the mobile platform. When using the system for the first time, the system will ask the user's permission to request access to device location information to get the user's location. Users need to register for an account to be able to use the system's functions. To register for a shipper account, you need to enter information such as personal information and vehicle information. If the user is a shipper, you must send a photo of your driver's license to the system. User information must be entered exactly as required by the system. After registration is complete, the user still cannot log into the system. To be able to activate the account, users need to wait for the administrator to activate the account. After selecting the account to be activated, the administrator confirms the activation request to complete the account registration for the shipper. After the shipper account is activated, you can log into the system. The home page of the shipper will display information such as the shipper's functions, current location, news information, and some functions on the toolbar. When the user forgets their personal password, they can find their password again by clicking Forgot Password. Then the system will ask the user to re-enter the account's email. Then the system will send the user an OTP code include 4 digits via user email. After entering the correct OTP code, the system will let the user reset the password. The passwords need to match. After successful reset, the system will notify the user. User can proceed to log in again with new password. To edit the user's personal information, click on the drop-down to select the account information, then change the information of the account. If left blank or incorrect, the system will display an error message asking the user to re-enter. The system will notify success. Then proceed to change the password. If the old password is incorrect, a user error message will appear. If the passwords do not match, a message will appear for the user to re-enter. Change the password successfully, the system will output a message. The shippers can post to find customers. Shipper when posting needs to fill in all information about the post. The information includes information about the title, shipping schedule, and estimated time of arrival. After a successful post, will go to the post list page. When there is a problem with the shipper post, click on the post to edit. Then, edit the necessary information and click the edit button to update the post again. To delete a post, shipper go to the list of posts and click the delete post button, then confirm the deletion to delete the post. To post a shipping search, users click on the post order function on the main page. In the posting form, users need to fill in the recipient's and sender's information, including name, phone number, and address. In addition, it is necessary to fill in the information about the delivered product. Next, when there are any notes for the order, the sender can add the notes information if desired. After completing the steps, click a Post Order button. When the order is successfully posted, the system will notify the user. The system will then redirect the user to the article management page. After a successful post has been posted, users can check the details of the post by clicking on the post they want to see detailed information about. After checking if problems need to be corrected, the user can click the Edit button to update the order information. Alternatively, if there is a problem with the post, the user can delete the post. To book a shipper, the user goes to the driver list page. Then select the shipper you want to book and press the order button. Then fill in the necessary information about the order to be able to place an order. After a successful order, you will be redirected to the post management page. To receive an order, the shipper goes to the list of orders and then selects the order that can be shipped to receive the order. After the order has been received, the system will send the customer a notification that the shipper has received the order. To view details of received orders, go to Order History and view order details. To easily get to the order location, click on the detailed view of the map. Then the system will direct the shipper to the order. To contact the delivery customer, the shipper makes a call to the customer. Once the order has been received, the shipper needs to update the status of the order received. To be able to get to the delivery location, the shipper opens a map that leads to the delivery location. After the order has been delivered, the shipper needs to take a picture of the order to complete the delivery and receipt procedures. Then go to the delivered order history to check. To rate the user's shipper, go to the order history list, then select the order to evaluate, click the review button. Then proceed to choose the number of stars for the shipper. The larger the number of stars, the better the service. The user can also enter the rating and comment about the shipper. Users can also click on any order to view information about the order, or the order's bill of lading process. Customers and shipper can use the chat function to chat with each other. The user enters content at the keyboard, and then presses send to transfer the message to the other party. Users can use the function to chat about information related to the order. In the chat function there is a photo function that allows users to freely share pictures of the order. When using the image capture function, the user needs to allow the system access to the camera and photo library to be able to perform the function. Users can check order information by asking the other party to take a picture of the order, to check information during shipping or receiving orders. Next to the demo section of the function of the website part, the user needs to log into the system. First, we will try the wrong login and perform the password reset function. And the admin needs to enter the correct email of the account and then send a search request. If you do not receive the OTP, the user can request to send it again. And then the user proceeds to reset a new password for the account. After finding the password, log into the system. When entering the system, the first thing that will appear is the dashboard interface to statistics, some information such as the number of users, customers, delivery people, and company. To optimize the user experience, the system allows changing the interface colors. Admin can update account information such as an address, avatar, phone number, etc. The system will appear with a notification when the update is successful. To change the password, the admin goes to the Change Password section, re-enters the old password, re-enters the new password, and confirms the password again, and the password must be between 8 and 20 characters long. To exit the system, the user clicks on the profile icon and then selects the logout function to log out of the system. Next is the news management function. To view detailed information, users click on the news they want to see. The admin needs to fill in all the information, including title, content, and image. To make more new news, when the user needs to edit, click on the article you know you want to edit, then update the information. To delete an article, click on the trash can icon and confirm the deletion. To view detailed business information, you can search for the name, address, and status of the business you want to see, then click on that business. To lock the account, click on the Active button, then enter the reason for the lock. The system will send the account lock-unlock information via the company's email. To reopen the account, click on the Stop Working button and then confirm to reopen the account. To view the driver's information, you can search for driver information such as name, address, and status and click on the driver information you want to see details. Admin can also lock driver information like company. An admin needs to enter the reason for locking the account before doing so. Then the system will send an email to the driver to know the reason. Admin can also re-unlock the driver's account quickly. When the driver's account is reopened, they will also be sent an email notification. Admin can search for customer information with the following information: name, address, status. To view customer details, the admin clicks on the customer you want to see details. In the customer details show information such as status, account status, order list. To check if the account has been locked, search for the locked account status. The opening and closing of a customer's account is similar to the rest. To reopen the account is similar to other roles. Admin can use the search function to find information related to customer, shipper, company, To use the function, the company needs to register an account and registration information, including company name, email, phone number, password, and address. All information must be in the correct format. The system displays a message when registration is successful. After registering, the company needs to wait for the administrator's approval to be able to use the account. The company can search for customer information by name, address, status. Company can view detailed information about customer, including information related to customer's order. Next, the company can also manage the shipper, and the system will display full details of the shipper, including the entire order of the shipper. The company can manage all order information, including shipper and order information, bill of lading information, and order status. The company can manage all the order information. In the order information will display some important information such as the shipper, receiver and sender information, order details, cave information. When adding a new shipper, the company can add an information account for that shipper, including personal information, media, and avatar. Then, the system will send information via personal email. To complete the account registration, the shipper needs to let the admin review the account information to be able to use it. Admin searches for drivers with a status of pending approval and then activates the account. The system will send a successful registration notification via email.